Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang interior lights not working issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Interior lights not working in the Ford Mustang are commonly described as dome lights, map lights, or courtesy lights failing to turn on when doors open, not responding to switches, or working intermittently. Verified owner reports and service information show that interior lighting concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical design, control logic, and component wear. One verified and frequently reported cause involves blown fuses or relay-related issues. Interior lighting circuits are protected by fuses, and a blown fuse can disable multiple interior lights at once. Another confirmed cause relates to door switch or latch sensor behavior. Interior lights rely on door position signals, and faulty door switches or latch sensors can prevent the system from recognizing when a door is open. Body control module monitoring behavior is also a documented factor. The body control module manages interior lighting logic, and software issues, stored fault codes, or internal faults can cause lights to stop functioning correctly. Wiring or connector problems have also been reported. Loose connections, damaged wiring, or poor grounding within the interior lighting circuit can interrupt power delivery to the lights. Interior light switch or dimmer control issues are another verified consideration. Faults in the dimmer wheel or interior light switches can prevent manual activation of the lights. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include low battery voltage, recent battery replacement affecting system settings, or aftermarket electrical modifications. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking and replacing blown fuses, inspecting door switches and latches, scanning the body control module for faults, testing wiring continuity, and verifying dimmer and switch operation. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang interior light issues are resolved through fuse replacement, door switch repair, or minor electrical corrections rather than major module replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, interior configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Mustang interior lights not working is typically linked to fuse issues, door sensor faults, body control module behavior, wiring problems, or switch-related concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.